눈을 감아서 알려고 하지도 않았어. 꿈이란 그 글자가 넌 멀게 할까봐 가슴이 뛰어도 모른 척해서 내가 믿어 갖지 못할 바에야 바라지도 않으려.
Set up the system's time and date, you need to do the following steps. First, right-click the area of the time and date, then choose Adjust Date or Time. Manually set the date and time, then press OK to apply changes. In setting up the computer name, go to the Start menu and press the computer. Right-click on it, then select Properties. Select Change Settings, type the computer's description, and after that select Change. Set the computer name as well as the work group. Then press OK, then restart the computer.
Do you ever dream of dreams? 내게 말야 마치 다이아 같은 꿈이 있단 말야. 염치도 없이 난 생길 수 없지. 내 맘속 깊이 날 지탱하지. 신방과 심실리 왜 나의 다섯 번째 밤. 그곳은 자란 난 꿈에 갇혀 비밀을 봐. So now 현실이 된 신기루. My dreams come true. That's right. 아름다워 펼쳐진 뷰.
To install network driver online, follow the following procedures. Press the computer option, select Properties and select Device Manager. Select Network Adapters to update Device Manager online. To configure network settings, follow the following procedures. First, locate the network adapter icon at the lower right part of the screen, then right-click on it. Select Network and Sharing Center and press Change Adapter Settings. Select the active connection, then right-click and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and assign the IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and preferred DNS, then press OK to apply changes.
이젠 다 컸는데 왜 자꾸 왜 지급해 정말 컸다는데 oh yeah 귀만
Access the command prompt to check the network configuration. Type ipconfig. Lastly, test the connection using the ping command and etc.
all day all night